So the next step in our process of our shrimp ceviche, as you see, we've sweated our onions, our garlic, our shallots, reduced it down in white wine, took our jumbo prawns. As you could see, they've beautifully opened up, has a light pink color to it. These are just absolutely phenomenal. These are going to taste so great for my guests this evening. So I'm actually going to make two different ceviches out of this. So one, we're definitely going with the white wine broth served over crostinis. And the second one, we're going with a classic ceviche, which is served traditionally over a light, chunky salsa. You can see our shrimp, they've opened up, soaked up all that white wine, that wonderful sweated garlic, as well as the shallots and chopped onions.